So we've got one of the first revisions that I'm going to go over for the track, and that's this fence here. Now in the previous video, you saw just a very small portion of the fence blowout when this NEC car here blew right into it. And this fence in particular is about the most intentional fence I have on the entire track. Everything else around the edges, yeah, you could fling a car off any of these, but realistically, this is the problem. And so what I run into, or what we ran into a number of times, is cars basically going right over the side, down onto the track, over here. At one point, a nice red car that we had ended up scraping all the way through here. There were paint scratches. So this fence is a good thing. You can see here some of the boards. I mean, this thing snapped in one shot. So I'm trying to decide whether or not to continue on with the fence slats like I have here, or if I move on to something that's maybe more like a high tension wire instead for this section. I'm not sure that would keep the car from flying over this edge. However, it might be worth a try. On the other hand, I love the rustic old raceway look, and a lot of, I just like things that look old. So I am considering also doing a corrugated steel patch job here, and then basically placing it, or maybe a couple of pieces, kind of tacking them in place here. Because the problem is this is not even if I fix this will happen again. It's just a matter of time. It could be a week from now. It could be tomorrow. Who knows? So I think I just need to strengthen this fence or take it down and replace it with a different type. I'm gonna post post a poll somewhere on the site or on the channel. I'm not familiar with all of the YouTube channel features yet, so forgive me, but there should be a poll out there. Hopefully it is very evident by the time you see this, and with a few options, things I'm thinking of, and let me know what you think.